I'm in our Minnesota facility today where we do all our manufacturing and distribution. I wanted to talk about a product that we've just introduced. It's called SingleJet, which is an inkjet transfer paper. This is designed to go down on light colored garments, whites, your light yellows, your soft pastels, and so forth. You may have seen a previous video where I actually did it using a heat press such as this one. But what I'm going to do today is we've actually printed out an 8.5 by 11 on our inkjet printer. You note that it is in a reverse image, so when we flip that over and heat press it down, it will be in our right reading position. But today we're going to do it, and we're going to use an iron. And so the first thing we want to do is get our shirt in position on a hard surface. We take our iron, no water, just set it at high temperature. Iron out the area where I'm going to place this. So what I'm doing is I'm heating up the shirt, but at the same time I'm taking any wrinkles and any moisture out of the surface. Put this in position, such as this, and then I'm going to start ironing at the top section. And what I want to do is go around the outside first. So I'm going to go across the top, down my left side, the bottom, and up over here. Okay? So at this point, now for a minute and a half, I simply continue to iron over the entire surface. Keep in mind that you want to have a relatively firm pressure on this. So got to keep bearing down on it a little bit. And we're just going to go for our minute and a half, and then we'll move on to the next step. But I'll be back in a few minutes, or about a minute, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're just about at the end here. This will give us our minute and a half. And, okay, there we go. Turn that off. And let me just get it nice and hot everywhere for a few seconds. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to get a hold of the corner of this and peel it back in a hot peel. There we are. And I'm going to take a couple of pieces of parchment paper, put it over the surface, and give it a little bit more, a little bit more ironing, just because I was pulling up against the grain. There we go. And we have our shirt. Simple, easy, fast. You can even do it at home. If you don't have a heat press, just do it with an iron. Nice, durable, good color, good washability. Again, that's the SingleJet inkjet transfer paper. I hope you give us a like, and you know where to find us at rhinotechinc.com. Until then, thank you.